For years, I tried everything, every supplement, every tip, but nothing helped me conceive.
Assalamu alaikum and welcome. If you are a woman over 30 struggling with infertility and you have tried everything like Clomid and Letrozole and whatever else doctor has given you, and you start every month with a new hope and every month you get a heartbreak, this video is for you. So at Healing Ijama Clinic, we have developed a natural herbal formula that is going to help your ovulation process completely naturally without any side effects. So first we will discuss the ingredients of this tea and how they are beneficial for you. Secondly, we will discuss who should take this and who should not take this tea, how it is better than the medicines and everything else that is going to help you on your fertility journey. So if you are interested in content like this, do subscribe to our channel because we have made numerous videos on how to support your fertility and hormones. So do subscribe and click the bell icon right with it if you want immediate notification as soon as we upload these wonderful videos. So first off, we will discuss the ingredients of this tea and what are the benefits of each ingredient.
So this tea is made from scientifically backed herbs proven in traditional and modern medicine. The first herb is shatavari. It is also called asparagus racemosus. It supports the follicle growth and balances the estrogen. Next is the red clover flower. It contains phytoestrogens that support estrogen levels. Then is the stinging nettle leaf. It is rich in minerals that support the hormone metabolism. And as I mentioned before, these are not just traditional herbs. These are all backed up by science, and I have linked up all the scientific research papers in the description box below. You can view them if you like to. Then we have this black seed or Nigella sativa powder. It helps regulate insulin and menstrual cycles in PCOS. Next is a very famous herb called ashwagandha. It reduces cortisol, as you all know. It also supports the reproductive hormones and the thyroid hormones. Next is the moringa seeds powder. Moringa seeds, as you know, are high in antioxidants. They improve the egg quality as well as the ovarian health. Next is the clove powder. Cloves help improve the blood flow as well as the uterine tone. Next, to reduce stress and support the HPO axis is the lemon balm. HPO axis is the hypothalamo-pituitary ovarian axis. Basically, these are all the hormones that are required for the females to reproduce. So, with all of these time-tested and scientifically proven herbs and some more, we have created a unique formula that helps the egg maturation and ovulation without pushing the body, which instead of forcing the ovulation, it actually balances the estrogen and progesterone in such a way that it induces the ovulation without the toxic side effects.
So you have seen all the beneficial ingredients that go into this tea. The question arises, who should take this tea? If you are facing infertility because of PCOS or progesterone dominance, this tea is for you. Or if you have low AMH, your follicles do not mature into eggs. And if you have irregular periods, unexplained fertility and delayed ovulation, this tea is for you. And mostly in my clinic, I have seen many women who come to me, they seem like they're very healthy because they're overweight. But when I get their hormonal panel done, when I get their nutritional panel done, it is as if they are from Somalia. They have nutritional deficiencies equivalent to someone starving in Somalia. Before going further, let's discuss who should not take this tea. First of all, if you are pregnant, you need to stop this tea immediately. Secondly, if you have any of the hormonal sensitive conditions like hormone sensitive breast cancer or endometriosis or anything that is related to estrogen dominance, you should not be taking this tea. And thirdly, if you are already taking Clomid or Letrozole or any of the allopathic medicines to induce ovulation, do not take this with them unless your doctor advises you to. Anyway, finally, let's compare Letrozole and Clomid, the allopathic medicines, with this ovulation tea. So there are a number of differences. First of all, the ovulation tea is natural, it is herbal. It has all the herbs that I just showed you. That's why it has little or no side effects. While on the other hand, Clomid or Letrozole or any other allopathic medicine that you are taking will have numerous side effects. If you have taken Clomid or Letrozole and you face side effects, let me know in the comment section below. For how long did you take these medicines and what side effects did you face? And since these herbal medicines don't have side effects, you can take them for long term also. While Clomid and Letrozole and all other allopathic medicines, you cannot take them long term. And that's why, although I am an MBBS doctor, I have done my MBBS, my inclination is more towards the herbal medicine just because of its safety profile. So let's discuss how to take this tea. First of all, you need to take this tea before 12 in the morning time. Making it is really easy. You boil a cup of water. Once the water is boiling, turn off the stove. Now you have to add 1 tablespoon of this herbal tea, cover it and let it cool down. Once it is on a temperature that you can drink it, now it is your choice. You can drink it directly, all the herbs will have settled down. But if you want to strain it, you can strain it and you can dissolve any sweetener that you like. Stevia or honey or any other sweetener that you like. You can order this tea from our website healinghijamaclinic.com. You will find many other fertility products also. Or you can directly call me on my given number. And if you already ordered it and you have used it, let me know in the comment section below. And if you are someone who has used Clomid or Letrozole, also let me know in the comment section below. Praying you get your baby soon. Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.